Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x80240061, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter and it will start detecting problems. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script here and then copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here. I'll tell you what this script does. It will stop all services associated with Windows Update. It will delete the profile. It will rename the software distribution and cat root to folders. It will re-register all the DLLs. It will reset WinSock and it will restart the services associated with Windows Update. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.